Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to replace an iPhone 6s Plus with a cracked screen. And everything still seems to work. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the screen, and as always I'm going to start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
I ain't gonna tell no lies, I ain't gonna apologize. You can see just where I stand, you know exactly who I am. Taking everything I want, don't believe me then just watch. Standing like the earth is mine, moving like I own this time. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now.
And we are done. So 11 minutes and 1 second, and we have a brand new iPhone 6s Plus. This is just the plastic on top to protect it during shipping. So everything still works great. All the screens come pre-tested. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram at AppTech Pro, and also our website. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And I just want to thank all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.